Okay, good morning. Welcome to Math Project 84. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here's a marker, sweetie.
I can't believe it's Math Project 84.
Alright, here you go. You are riding a bike. If you go 1 mile in 2 minutes, how far will you go in 1 hour, assuming you always went at the same speed? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
We're going to do this problem, we're going to do another problem just like it, where I change the numbers just a little bit. Okay, you were riding a bike, you go 1 mile in 2 minutes. How far will you go in 1 hour? What do you think?
I'm just gonna write M for mile.
Okay.
So we got 1 mile. This will be the number of miles.
Okay.
And this will be the minutes.
Alright.
Number of M's.
Number of M's, okay.
And minutes.
Okay.
1 mile. 2 minutes. 2 miles. 2 miles. 4 minutes. Well, now we can go for 4 miles and you have 8 minutes. 8 miles, 16 minutes. I think I'll have to start another line going down this way.
Okay, I'll help you. Here, I'll erase 1, 2, and 4. Okay, go ahead.
No, 16 miles and 32 minutes.
Okay.
"32 miles, then we have 64 minutes, but that's too many.
Okay.
Because we go 2 miles in 4 minutes, so we just subtract. Our answer is 28.
What?
28 8 miles in 60 minutes.
That's not right.
Why isn't it right?
I don't know. I don't know how you got 28. You were really, really good about writing everything down. Here, write your 16 there that you accidentally erased. You were really, really good about writing everything down, and then all of a sudden you didn't write anything down and ended up with the wrong answer. Okay.
So we go 32 miles in 64 minutes.
Okay. Good.
And we also know that 2 miles equals 4 minutes.
Okay.
So we subtract, so it's 30 minutes in an hour.
Okay, now tell me what mistake you made when you didn't write when you weren't writing your work down. What did you accidentally do?
I thought the minutes was the hours.
You thought the minutes was the miles.
Yeah.
You thought the minutes was the miles. See, you gotta write your work down, because if you don't write your work down, that's a silly mistake, right? You took 32 miles and subtracted 4 minutes.
How are you supposed to do that?
I don't know. 32 miles minus 4 minutes. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so it's 30. So notice when you made your chart that all the numbers were double, right? You had your minutes and miles and minutes chart. It was 1, 2, 2, 4. What did you have next? 4, 8, 8, 16. It was all, this column was always twice as much as this column.
Yeah.
And so 30 miles in 60 minutes. Okay?
Yeah, it's double.
Okay, so now we're going to change the problem just a little bit. Just a little tiny bit. Suppose now instead of going 1 mile in 2 minutes, you go 1 mile in 2.5 minutes.
That's 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Right. So now you go 1 mile in 2.5 minutes. Let's see if you can figure it out this time. Okay, miles, minutes. Okay, go ahead.
So 1 mile in 2.5 minutes.
Okay.
2 miles in 5 minutes. This 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. And then that means 4 miles in...
Oops.
Does the camera
Yeah,
see
now I didn't have the camera right. 4 miles in 10 minutes.
8 miles in 20 minutes. 16 miles in 40 minutes. Well, then 32 miles.
Here, why don't we write that? Why don't we write it off to the side? Or might just make another column over here, another miles and minutes column. Okay, so what's 32 miles? Going to be in how long?
80 minutes.
Okay.
And 80 minutes is 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Okay.
So 1 hour and 20. So 20 minutes is 8 miles. And we got 32. Well, let's do 32 minus 8, which is 24. I think 24 is the answer.
Okay, so this was 20 minutes too long. So you went back down here and you said you go 8 miles in 20 minutes. And then you just subtracted 32 minus 8. You didn't do 32 minus 20. You didn't do 32 miles minus 20 minutes. That's like taking 1 apple minus 1 orange. What?
Where's the cap?
Actually, here, use this one. Okay, wait, but there's something else I want to show you. You could have, if you wanted to, right here.
Yeah.
See, this is 20 minutes plus 40 minutes. So you could have done 20 plus 40 is an hour, and 8 plus 16 is
24.
Okay, that would have got you to the same place. So, okay.
No problem.
Yeah. I pulled this one out of Olympiad 79, I think. This is Olympiad 79 problem number 1. So this is the homework problem. Olympiad 79. Problem number 1. Okay? Alright. Good job today, sweetie.